Well, hi everyone, my name is Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about what sold for me in the month of February. Now, I'm not gonna go through every single thing that sold on eBay for the whole month because obviously that would take a very long time. However, I did selected some items from both eBay and Mercari, which are the two platforms that I'm going to focus on today because honestly, I don't even think I made any sales on Poshmark. So today I'm just gonna focus in on eBay and Mercari because those are the two platforms that I did make some sales. So try to stay to the end because I'm going to be sharing with you my cost of goods and how much profit that I make. And that's just for those items. And it'll surprise you how a little goes a long way. So why don't we get started now?
So this is a dry shampoo Festive Wonderland. Obviously it was a seasonal edition. I got these for 75 cents each. So I paid $1.50 for both of them. I had them listed on eBay for $29.99 and a buyer sent me an offer for $22 for both of them, which is not bad. I accepted it. So after cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $10.38, which was an excellent return profit. This is a men's customized V-neck sweater vest. I originally had it listed for, I believe, $25. A buyer sent me an offer for $15, but this item didn't cost me anything because this is an item that my husband gave me to put up for sale. So cost of goods was $0, but shipping and eBay fees, my total profit for this item came to $7.73. Not too bad for a free item. This was a gem that I found at a thrift store. Now this wooden drinking cup, honestly, you can find these for $70, $80, $90. I've seen them listed for $100. I believe I had it listed for $79.99, and a buyer sent me an offer for $50. I counter offer for $57, which I've sold one before at that price. This item only cost me $3.50. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $41.04. So this was an excellent sale. This is an Olay Whip Face Moisturizer that I got from one of the liquidation boxes that I recently opened from Personal Care. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch it so you can see what goodies I got. But anyways, this item sold on Mercari. Originally had it listed for $16. Sent an offer to a buyer for $13. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and Mercari fees, my total profit for this item was $4.20, which was an excellent return. Next, here we have this Australian Gold Botanical Sunscreen. This was a lot of 2. I believe I got this item at a beauty store. But anyways, I paid $7.96 for both of them. And originally, I think I had this item listed for, if memory serves, I don't know, $13.99 each, but a buyer sent me an offer for $7. I counter offer for $9.50 each, and so the buyer accepted. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my profit for this item was $4.49, which was actually nice because I got my money back and more. Alright, so next we have this Olay Brightening Eye Cream. This is an item that I got from my recent liquidation boxes for Personal Care, and I had it listed on Mercari for $16. A buyer bought it for the asking price of $16, and you know this makes sellers very happy when buyers purchase it for the asking price. When you have to make an offer or you accept an offer, that obviously eats up some of your profits. So I was very happy about this sale. Anyways, this item cost me $2.22. So after total cost of goods, Mercari fees, and shipping this item, my total profit was $6.82. So excellent return. Okay, so next we have this beer brand Blank Slate beer softener. Wow, that was a tongue twister there. Anyways, this is another item that I got from my recent liquidation box for personal care. Had it listed on Mercari for $19, as you can see, and there was an interested buyer, so I sent him an offer for $17. He accepted it. So after total cost of goods, which was $2.22, Mercari fees and shipping, my profit for this item was $7.30. Up next, we have this men's Polo Ralph Lauren Chino pants. The cost of goods was $0. My husband gave me this item so that I can put it up for sale. I originally had it for $25 listed on eBay. A buyer sent me an offer for $20. It was a $5 difference, so no big deal. I went ahead and accepted it. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my profit for this item came to be $9.72, which is not bad for a free item.
All right, so there you have it, guys. What sold on eBay and Mercari in the last month. So obviously, like I said, it's not everything that I sold for the month of February, but it was some selected items that I drafted to share with you guys. But next I'm going to show you a little table so that you guys can see my total cost of goods for all of these items, and then my return profit. So I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys so that you guys can see that a little does go a long way. Now, it might not seem a lot, but honestly, every little penny counts. Any little profit that you gain is something. It's a dollar that you didn't have before. So don't get discouraged just because you see return for like $2, $3, $4, but in time it's going to stretch eventually. So that's what you want to focus, you know. Obviously some items are more valuable than others, like that wooden cup, and I got it for $3.50 and it sold for $50. I mean, that's amazing. And then, but again, you know, lotions and creams, of course, I'm not gonna price a moisturizer for $50 because obviously no one's gonna buy it. It's gonna just sit there and collect dust. So we don't want that. You're gonna get more than what you paid for. That includes cost of goods, that includes shipping, and then on top of that, it does pay for your fees, and then obviously you get a return of some kind. And so it doesn't matter if it's $2, $3, $4, $5, it's gonna stretch eventually. Okay, so looking at this table, I spent $19.62 for my goods. For these selected items, it was a total of $19.62. My total profit, on the other hand, was $91.68. That just goes to show you that every dollar, every penny, every $2 stretches and it adds up eventually. Now, this is not $19.62 minus $91.68. No, $19.62 is what I paid for these goods, and I got in return $91.68. So it does stretch eventually. So there you have it, guys. Don't be discouraged by every dollar. Like I said, it's gonna stretch, it's gonna grow. Just be patient. So yeah, there you have it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post videos. I appreciate the feedback, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So take care, guys. Bye-bye. We'll see you next time.